Welcome to Rise and Sky Immigration, your trusted source for the latest updates on Canadian immigration. Today, we are excited to delve into the significant changes anticipated in the Canadian immigration landscape. Let's dive in. Major changes coming to Canadian immigration. In the forthcoming months, Canada is poised for substantial reforms in its immigration policies. These changes aim to streamline and enhance the immigration process, making it more efficient and accessible to prospective immigrants. Postgraduate Work Permits, PGWP, overhaul. One of the key areas of reform will be the Postgraduate Work Permit, PGWP, program. We anticipate a comprehensive overhaul to provide international students with more opportunities to gain valuable work experience in Canada after completing their studies. Additionally, recent announcements suggest that Manitoba students may receive extended work permits, offering them additional opportunities to work in Canada post-graduation. Pathways to permanent residency for international students. Recognizing the vital role that international students play in Canada's economy and society, significant efforts will be made to improve pathways for them to transition from temporary to permanent residency. This will offer international students a clearer and smoother immigration journey. Provincial initiatives and extensions. Provinces across Canada are taking proactive steps to address their unique labor market needs. Expect the rollout of various immigration programs and extensions designed to attract skilled workers and support regional economic growth. Scrutiny on Labor Market Impact Assessments, LMIA. As part of the reforms, there will be increased scrutiny on labor market impact assessments, LMIA, to prevent misuse and ensure that temporary foreign workers are employed under fair and safe conditions, benefiting both workers and employers. Extended processing times and impact on employers. While these changes are underway, anticipate some delays in processing times as immigration authorities adjust to the new policies and procedures. Employers may face challenges in filling crucial positions due to reduced access to temporary foreign workers and policies limiting temporary residence. Extensions to postgraduate work permits for health and trade students. Adding to the changes, recent announcements by Mark Miller suggest potential extensions to the PGWP for health and trade students, allowing them more time to gain valuable work experience in Canada. What to expect and conclusion. In summary, expect significant changes ahead in Canadian immigration. Rise and Sky Immigration will keep you updated every step of the way, providing guidance and support through these transitions. Stay tuned for more updates and insights on navigating the Canadian immigration system. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more immigration news and updates. Until next time, take care.